Hi friends, in this video let us try to analyze Bank Nifty weekly chart and have some fun. You might be wondering, isn't it weird to analyze Bank Nifty weekly chart? Because we as retail traders would hardly trade in 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes time frames and try to assume some positions and get in and get out of the market with some decent profits or losses. But thinking about a weekly chart, isn't it a bit weird? Isn't it a bit obsolete? Might be a question. So that might be true with the help of retail traders, but not the long, powerful market makers. So let us think in their perspective and have some fun. So this video is not being made to assume any trade positions. This is only being made to analyze to make analysis in our own way as retail traders, and then see how market falls into some unknown lines and structures based on econophysics and market geometry and another mathematical expressions that we generally can't find in any naked chart. So let us quickly analyze the market. Now this high has been broken by the buyers from this low. So A, B, C, these three pivots are going to be very important for us. Now what has happened when price touched the inward frequency of this powerful bullish momentum? Clearly, the touch of a solid market structure and a powerful bullish candle is certainly a very good opportunity to go long. Okay, and if we try to bring in the concept of pitchfork to identify market edge, and this is some shift in the frequency here because price has respected this boundary of pitchfork, but it failed to reach the higher end. So what we do is we just try to adjust the pitchfork with the latest frequencies. Okay, so now you see that when you adjust the pitchfork to the latest high, the extended edge of the pitchfork to the midline is intersecting exactly at the same point where the price is touching the inward frequency of this already proven market structure. So there's a wonderful opportunity to go long. I'm talking about weekly charts. Okay, so it's very difficult for retail traders to consume this knowledge, but just have some fun and observe how we are analyzing price. Now, since this is such a large move, because if at all you are entering market here, and this is going to be a stop loss, it's a huge stop loss. It's very difficult for us to even think of because here the price is somewhere at 35,357. Here the stop loss is somewhere at 30,500. So roughly 5,000, isn't it? 5,000 odd uh, points stop loss. Incredible for us. Can't even imagine such things. However, using some advanced geometry, using the pitchforks, we can be able to identify the edge where we can enter long when price reaches our area of interest. To do that, I'm going to draw a modified pitchfork in the areas of interest because we believe that this is going to be a market edge where trust drawn a pitchfork between A, B, C and pivots. Now let us see how price is respecting the outward line of this pitchfork. Price tested that pitchfork and then created an inside bar. That means the buyers coming from this zone back again are creating a wave kind of pattern and they have exhausted the same point where this pitchfork is where price is intersecting this pitchfork, then creating an inside candle. Also look at the bottom wicks of such candles. They are clearly showing some sort of buying pressure. Now you might be asking question, the sellers from this zone have closed below this low. So aren't these sellers very powerful to bring down the market? That's exactly how retail traders think, and that's exactly how market makers want retail traders to think. So this is kind of bear trap, and bear trap has is happening exactly at the point of interest of this outline of the pitchfork. So this is the point to go long but not short. So if you have missed to enter long call here, I'm talking about weekly charts again. So this is somewhere in the month of June 2022. Okay, so this could be your stop loss. Okay, I'm talking about long position. So this is where you enter a long call. I mean long position. The stop loss still below this low because this is the market edge. And look at the price is now respecting exactly the outer end of this pitchfork like how we did here. So look at the risk reward ratio. Okay, and this is how much? 33,500 to 44,000. 11,000 points movement in a span of how many months? July to January, December. So July, August, September, October, November, December. So in 6 months, you could have gained as much as 11,000 points in Bank Nifty with just a single trade. Incredible. Okay, but that's not going to be reality for retail traders. That is a reality for market makers, institutional traders, big banks and all. So they know that they are able to capable of taking price to as high as this point. Now we have another question here. Now price is touching the outer line of this pitchfork and then creating a powerful bearish candle. Okay, and then that inward frequency has also been broken and price is testing the broken inward frequency line multiple times. Also, if I draw a pitchfork in the extremes of the market that is created so far, okay, because this is the latest extreme A, B, and C, okay, and then I extrapolate this to this low, okay. So when I take this as the edge, you see that price is now touching the intersection of two major pitchforks, isn't it? And then creating a fractal bar, and the next bar has clearly broken below this intersection. I mean, the inward frequency of the minor flow upward, and then creating powerful bearish candle. So, and now there's a fight between buyers and sellers now. Who is going to win this battle? Okay, and how long are they going to win this battle? Is a big question. So, if these buyers are not going to giving away so easily, then I'm sure to expect some sort of sideways market in couple of months, 2 months, 3 months. And if there is any news or any external force that makes market flow in any one direction, then it's possible to move price in either big movement towards bottom, and we can expect price again to touch this zone somewhere here. Okay, if it is a negative news, and if it is going to be a positive news, I'm not just talking about news, I'm talking about the overall economics of the world across, could be India or any other factors that are directly or indirectly influencing our economy. So then market is going to go up if the impact is positive. So certainly this is the point of exhaustion of buyers and sellers coming into market and taking down the market. Now we don't know exactly if this is going to be a market edge or not. Not a good idea to trade at this junction if we are talking about a weekly structure. However, this has nothing to do with the time frame we are looking at. Maybe 5 minutes chart or 50 minutes chart. Still, even if market is going to be range bound between these two extremes, okay, and we're not sure if this is going to be a market extreme. If that is so, market is going to crash for sure. But if at all it's not going to be a market extreme, okay, then there is going to be an intense fight between these sellers from this level and buyers from this zone, and we can take some pretty good risks because in lower time frame, because when price is ranging between two extremes, we know the bottom and end of such movements, and we could take some very good positions, very good CE positions or CE positions, and then make good gains in short time frame. So this is just for fun, guys. There's so much for us to learn. It doesn't matter if it's a weekly chart or daily chart or 5 minute chart or even 1 minute chart. The market scenario is exactly the same because no matter the time frame, it is the human behavior that drives the market. It is a supply and demand that drives the market. It is not any candle structure or any other technical tool that drives the market. Technical tools are here only to describe what is happening. Technical tools doesn't decide how the market is going to be. So with this note, signing off, keep watching my videos, and if you're interested to learn technical analysis in advance, you can reach me out. I could be of great help to you. And please do subscribe, like, and share my channel for benefit of all. Okay, see you, thank you, and see you in another video. Bye bye.